Hey there, we're here at Can Packaging Systems showcasing a vertical bagger with an integrated auger filler, exit conveyor, and counting system. Starting at the top, we've got our auger filler. We partnered up with our good friend Spee-Dee, who design and build these auger fillers. These units are best suited for powdered products. In this case, we're running ground coffee. At the customer's facility, the coffee will be conveyed into this filler neck, down into the hopper. There's an agitator that circulates in there to prevent clumping. And from there's a servo at the top, which drives a screw that draws the coffee down from the hopper, down through our former and into the bag. We've got a controller here for the auger filler. And here the customer can change the speed and the revolutions of the screw to determine the volume of coffee that they're looking to achieve. The rest of the brains for the auger filler are located in this electrical panel. It's temporarily on this cart, but once it's at the customer's facility, it's going to be mounted on a wall directly behind the system. And here we've got our CAM Model 520 DS, that stands for double servo. So the 520 signifies the max width roll of film that can be installed on the machine. In this case, it's 520 millimeters. And the double servo signifies the two servo motors. The first one drives the film pull belts. The second one drives the seal jaws. Unlike a pneumatic system, the double servo is built for speed. So our bagger pulls film. You can see the roll stock here at the back. Film travels through a series of rollers where it passes in front of a VideoJet Dataflex 6330 printer. Again, the customer can modify what goes on the bag. In this case, we just did a test. We put grounds and today's date. Film gets pulled to the front of the machine, around the former, down towards the bottom where it's filled with coffee, and then the bag is sealed. From there, coffee travels up this exit conveyor. And it actually passes in front of two sensors. There's a through beam here, reads the bags as they go by. Then the customer can pre-select a number of bags on the screen of our machine, which are going to fill boxes at either end of the line. So I've got a count of 5 here today just to show the device working. But in reality, the customer will be probably putting 50, 60, maybe 70 bags in each box. So because we're running coffee and air quality is such a major concern, this bagger has a port on the back where nitrogen can be plumbed in. Some of that nitrogen will be run up to Spee-Dee's auger filler, where a small flow of nitrogen will go into the hopper, essentially creating a chamber of nitrogen. The remainder of it will be plumbed into the former on the bagger. This just gives a additional blast of nitrogen into the bag once the coffee's been dropped in and prior to the sealing. So there's next to no oxygen in the bag, and that gives us the shelf life required for the coffee. So we're going to watch this thing run. Running upwards of 70 bags a minute. doing counts of 5. Printer making its hit. Getting upwards of 70 a minute. Sounds like we're just about out of coffee. There you go, can packaging. Speedy revolution, running ground coffee.